You made a covenant with me, signed by the blood that still speaks. Now I'm forgiven, I'm called righteous, I'm made clean. There on the cross at Calvary, you gave it all, you purchased me. You are my Savior and the God who set me free. And now my heart cries, this is my Redeemer.